everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how can you fix Sony Google TV not showing Wi-Fi network. If your Sony Google TV isn't displaying Wi-Fi network, you could try following some of these steps. First of all, you could do is power cycle your device. That means unplug the TV for a few seconds or maybe a minute, then plug it back in and turn it on. Now unplug the router power cord, wait for about a minute and then plug it back on and see whether that fixes your issue or not. The other thing you could also do is verify Wi-Fi networks. Ensure your Wi-Fi network is active and visible to other devices like your phone or laptop, and make sure your TV is within the range of your router and there is no physical obstruction blocking the signal as well. So what you could also do is the other thing, you could also switch it to mobile data or maybe share a hotspot from your device and see whether that fixes your issue or not. If you still have such issue, then what you need to do is, for that case, you simply want to update software and reset. For that, you want to go to system, go to about and go to the software update to check for the installed any available update or not. In some cases, you could also try going to the app section and see whether a specific app is not working out. If you want to go with that, you click on the special app access and make sure to uninstall it or maybe reinstall it, and that should be able to help you out. So these are a couple of things you could try in order to fix Sony Google TV not showing Wi-Fi network. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.